Hi, this is David with YourPST Studios, and today I'm going to show you how to clear a text box in your C# WPF program. Let's get started. So, first thing we'll want to do is drag on a text box and put a button in there. We'll change the button name to clear, and we'll go ahead and throw in a bit of text to fill up the text box. We're going to go ahead and click on the clear button. We'll go ahead and rename that to clear button. Rename the text box to clear text box. And then we'll go back to our button, go to our events, make a click event. And from that click event, we are going to go clear textbox.clear. Now when we run the program, our text box will have text in it. You click the button, it's cleared. Type whatever you want to type, clear. That easy. Well, hope that helps. If you learned something, like, subscribe, share with a friend. Thanks for watching.